Where are we going? This place is crazy. Dude, if we can get to the dam, we'll fish it, because I don't care what's there. There's probably big fish, whatever they are.
Austin, watch out, your hook's in the water.
Let's check this little bitch out.
I think we found our camping spot.
Yeah? Dude, don't set your reel in the sand like that. Woo! That's awesome. Oh, big carp, a bunch of them. Oh, this is gonna be crazy, dude. Right here.
Austin, get my boat!
Twice! Hey, when it gets to there, you gotta like reel in fast because you'll get behind that stick.
An arrow for fishing for carp?
Oh yeah, yeah it is. There's an arrow down there for fishing. I wonder if you can see that. Don't cast super far, just... Oh my gosh, you guys, right there. Yeah, how you doing that? Fish on. Should I go get the boat? Just keep it in this thing. Dude, I can't get down that. I can't even get back up. Give it slack, it might swim back into the hole. No, just flip your bail. Yeah. He'll probably, hopefully he doesn't go all the way down. He'll probably swim back into the hole. Just leave it like that. See, he's going that way. Get it off that stick.
I'm giving him slack.
You're giving him too much. Now your line's going down river now. Oh, so is the fish.
Here, Austin, release the bail.
Oh no.
Yeah, actually, just do it. Here, grab my hand.
Good job. Oh, he's right there. You still have him. Just go swimming.
Oh, need the rod.
Okay. I'm gonna go get the boat.
Give me the rod.
Okay, so we have a big ass carp on, and I have to drive the boat around to where we hooked it. I'm pretty sure it will be gone by the time I get there. Oh, I think he still has it on. Dude, I can't get past this sand. Still got it?
Before it floats away.
Caught a carp. Nice. I came all the way around just to not. All right, don't start fishing until I get back. We're gonna film you guys catching one in the mouth. What are you doing?